We're at beautiful Geneva Lake in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. It's a beautiful sunny day.
One, two, three, say glory, glory, hallelujah, you must shine forever. Glory, glory, hallelujah, Jesus.
It's a Sunday morning. Hi everyone. We're in downtown Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, and it's fairly early in the morning. It's only about 7:30 in the morning. We've actually been here for 3 days total, but we're down here by the Riviera behind us. That's where all the boat tours take off from. We did take a boat tour yesterday, and but we're right downtown, and that's the lake back over here. We're going to take a walk through town. That's why we started at 7:30 this morning, because anybody familiar with Lake Geneva knows that on a weekend, if you're in Lake Geneva in the summer, there's going to be hordes of people out here very shortly. You can hear some of the workers working back out here. Right over here is the lake. But it's a beautiful day. And right out behind me is Lake Geneva. Right over here are the tour boats that we took yesterday. We took the mailboat run, but they do a bunch of dinner cruises and just sightseeing cruises also. Geneva Lake is a pretty large inland lake. And it does have a beach here. Like I say, we're still very early, so there's nobody really on the beach yet. But it's a beautiful town. When your tax base included so many wealthy people as the Wrigleys, who are you going to hire to design the public library? And just where will you put it? This is the Lake Geneva Public Library. It's right down here on the lake, right on the beach. And the Lake Geneva Public Library was designed by James R. Dresser, the prodigy of Frank Lloyd Wright. Frank Lloyd Wright has done a lot of designs of buildings here in Wisconsin. He was from Wisconsin. He was retired but still living in Wisconsin when the library was built. His prodigy, James Dresser, designed the building in the Wrightian style of architecture. The Wrightian style of architecture is named after Frank Lloyd Wright. Wright laid out his theory of organic architecture in the 1954 publication of The Natural House. His style was based on an emphasis of the horizontal and an importance given to the roof as a character-giving feature, which you can see right here in the library.
The writing style is a little more complex than this. I'll leave some links in the description for those that are interested.
We're right down on Geneva Lake, right next to the public library. And that's Geneva Lake.
Wow.
Thanks. Frank Lloyd Wright, who has done, like I say, he designed a lot of the properties here in Wisconsin because he was from Wisconsin. And one of the greatest architects the United States has ever had, if not the greatest.
His prodigy, James Dresser, would go on to a long, successful career in architecture.
And this is the trail that goes all the way around, the path that goes all the way around Lake Geneva. It does not stay concrete like it is right here in town, but it goes for 26 miles. You can see a lot of the old mansions of the people that had lived and do live on the lake right now. It's some of the most expensive real estate in the United States. As I said before, the trail goes all the way around Geneva Lake. It's 26 miles long. We are not going to do the entire trail.
No.
Obviously, anybody that owns a home in this area is well-to-do. But like I said before, we're not going to do the entire walk. It's 26 miles. It's a marathon. I think what we'll do, though, is take a drive around the entire Lake Geneva. Hi, we're on Main Street in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. See behind me is the sign, the historic Lake Geneva.
Yeah.
A little bit of its history. And this is the start of the business district.
Yeah.
Behind
Wow. Yeah.
me. So we're going to take a walk through, because like I said before, on a weekend in the summer, Lake Geneva will be fully packed within a couple hours. All the tour shops, the Catino Mercantile. But there's restaurants, there's a creamery across the street, boutique store, cafes. And the tourist merchandise. Inhale the good shit, exhale the bullshit. It's colorful. A lot of outside dining.
One, two, three, say glory, glory, hallelujah.
I think the band's called No Turning Back. And that's judging from they're all wearing t-shirts that say that. You can see the fire department down here checking fire hydrants. This is the tour boat we took yesterday. It is the mailboat tour. It's been doing tours since 1915.
Hi guys.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. We saw you jumping earlier this week.
Welcome back.
Thanks. The mailboat tour, which is well worth it. You see this guy right up here jumping out and off the boat and delivering the U.S. mail, which I think they've been delivering since 1915 on the boat, if I'm not right.
This is 150 years.
105 years ago they began the mailboats.
So join us next week for the U.S. Mailboat Tour. We hope you'll join us in Lake Geneva this morning. If you did, hit that like button, give us a comment down below, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.